Hello you guys, I hope you and your loved ones are safe at home. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I achieve a no makeup look. Now there are many different ways to do it, but today I'm going to show you my way without using any foundation. So if you are interested, just keep on watching. To begin with, I'm going to use the Face Shop's Shea Butter Lip Scrub. This is to get rid of any dry and chappy lips, and my lips tend to get really dry, so I love using this, but you can totally skip this and just use a lip balm instead. After wiping it off, I'm gonna go ahead and use the moisturizer. This one is from Iba. It's very important to use a moisturizer in order to create a smooth and hydrated base. I will dot it all over my face and spread it across. Now this product already has a little bit of SPF in it, and also the primer that I'm gonna use has an SPF in it. So I'm gonna continue by using the primer from the Face Shop again. This product has a good amount of SPF, so just gonna take a tiny amount of it and work it between my fingers and apply it where I have visible large pores, which is on my cheeks, center of my forehead and chin. And now to cover up my dark circles, little pigmentation and uneven skin tone, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit concealer in the shade Light and blend it using a beauty blender. The shade of this concealer is exactly my skin color, which ensures that it will cover any minor blemishes or any spots and also my dark circles. The beauty sponge that I'm using to blend the concealer is from Miniso. All the products will be listed in the description, so do check it out. I'm going to use the same concealer on my eyelids. This will just get rid of a little bit of redness and will give a smooth and even appearance. Moving on to add some definition and dimension to the face, I'm going to lightly contour using the Sugar Contour Stick in the shade Fawn first, applying it on the natural contours of my face, also contouring the eyes with the same and blending it using a small blending brush. You can use the same beauty blender as well to blend. You want to make sure that you use very less product and don't build up a lot of product, because that will give a very unnatural look, and that is not the look we are going for. We are going for a very natural, no makeup kind of a look. So make sure you use little product. Further, to add some color to this look, I'm going to use a lip cream as a cream blush. This one is from Miss Claire, and I absolutely love the way this shade and the formula works as a cream blush. It's so natural, yet it looks so beautiful. Now further, to add some brightness, I'm going to use the Oriflame The One Concealer. The shade will be listed in the description box. This is 2 shades lighter to my skin tone. So you want to focus from the inner corner towards the end of your lip. Now this step is completely optional. You can work with one concealer of your own skin tone and that will work fine. And now to set everything in place, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in the shade Light Medium all over my face using a big powder brush. I lightly dust the powder all over my face. If you come from dry to very dry skin family, you can totally skip the powder and go ahead with the next step. But if you are an oily skin type or normal skin type and you tend to sweat from a few areas of your face, it's good to powder them so that your makeup stays transfer proof and it does not budge throughout the day. Now I like to add a powder contour to enhance my features. Again, it can be skipped, but I love the way a powder contour makes my face look so sharp. Using a little amount where I placed the cream contour, and the face instantly looks so much more defined. Now for my eyebrows, I'm gonna firstly brush it upwards using a spoolie and then fill the sparse areas with a dark brown eyeshadow, and I'm gonna use a tiny angular brush to do this. If you already have dense eyebrows and you don't have any sparse areas to fill, you can skip this step and directly go ahead with the next step. To set the eyebrow hair in place, I'm going to use the Oriflame brow gel, just brushing the hair upwards. Next up we have the Black and Bold mascara from Iba Cosmetics, and I'm gonna use 2 thick coats of this mascara on my lashes. This will give your lashes an instant lift. Lastly, to finish up the look, I'm gonna use the blurred lipstick in the shade Control Yourself Sweetie. Now this is such a gorgeous nude shade. I think it will be a perfect nude for fair to medium skin tone people. Now I'm just gonna apply it all over my lips and then spread it with my finger and just dab it a little so that it looks very natural. And with this we come to an end of this look and this video as well. I hope you guys like this video and you try this look for yourself, and yeah, tag me in your photos and send me your pictures if you recreate it, and I would love to see that. Let me know in the comments what next would you like to see on this channel. And with that said, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe before leaving, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.